How to create a software engineering dashboard using Keypup's configuration assistant. Building effective engineering metrics and KPIs can be a daunting task, especially for those who are new to the process. However, Keypup's configuration assistant provides a user-friendly solution that allows users to quickly create software engineering dashboards without the need to delve into complex custom formulas or filters right away. This streamlined approach facilitates quick adoption and empowers users to get started with valuable insights in no time. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a software engineering dashboard using Keypup's configuration assistant. Let's get started. First, click on the plus New Dashboard button located at the top of the left navigation panel. Then, navigate through the template library and select the dashboard of your choice by clicking on the Create New Dashboard from Template button below it. You'll be directed to the Configure Your Dashboard page where you can adjust the title and description and automatically customize your metrics by answering a few questions such as timeframes or projects, for instance. Once done, click on the Create Dashboard button located at the bottom of this page. That's it, you're now ready to explore, further customize if needed, and share your dashboard with your peers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.